Hey guys, we're in here at tcat. We're in the hallways. We're not allowed to be inside the actual booths filming. We're going to be allowed access to the pipe yard here in a little while. We're at the booth. We're hosting a little bit of a raffle, trying to get some more subscribers and also share, some of the Hey guys, so unfortunately we did have to leave. It just kind of didn't make sense for us to be there. We couldn't film a large portion of the students, so we didn't get any of the actual award ceremony. We did host a raffle where I gave out that custom pipeliner that I made on this channel. And another reason we had to leave is we had some late sponsors show up. Let's see what we got. Oh god. Yeah. So, huge shout out to Weldas. We will be reviewing some of their Arknite line products here coming soon. Unfortunately, they arrived the next week after. And Boots Padillas. These are handmade boots from Mexico, and they were generous enough to send us out 5 pairs for contestant winners. Unfortunately, they arrived 2 hours after the competition. After I break those in, I guess I'll be giving them a review. Huge shout out to Blue Demon, Wendy's Pancake Shields, Tefue, Breezeway Ventilation System, and everyone else that helped along the way to make this Welding Rodeo possible. We are now in talks about doing this on a yearly basis. So thank you everybody. I will let you guys know what's going on with that. Sorry about the delay on this video. I know it's been a couple weeks, but Thanksgiving and all that. And please, leave a comment and subscribe.